Welcome to Clay Hill Farm. We're in a beautifully private location with views onto the Quantock Hills. This stunning 5-bedroom farmhouse has been completely reimagined by our clients. It's now a beautiful home that would suit family, multi-generational, bed and breakfast if you wish. It has a lot to offer. It sits in about 6 acres of grounds, but let's have a look around and you can see what I mean. What a place to make memories, eat food, the heart of the home for me, and this really is the heartbeat of this beautiful home. The accommodation flows throughout. We have a beautiful garden room onto the lake, but there's just plenty of space, and there's this lovely feel that really you only get if you come and have a look at it. The ground floor accommodation very much matches the upstairs, so there is space for all with those 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. This really is a house for all seasons, whether it's a beautiful sunny day today where you can be outside enjoying, or even sitting in here with the sun pouring on you, or on a less favourable day, let's light the wood burner, crash out, watch some rugby. It just works. I love the outside space here. We have the formal gardens, the heated swimming pool, but we've also got this nod to nature where there really is an abundance of wildlife visiting. It's beautiful. Any time of day, I would say any time of year, this is a place you want to be. Not to be forgotten, it's a really useful studio. Great if you like your hobbies, or if you've got noisy teenagers, perhaps for a games room. It's actually all ready to be equipped with an ensuite, so plenty of options there. It really is the icing on the cake for this beautiful home. This is one not to miss. Give us a call, 01823 423 500.